I'm here now in KFC. So I order here. I already pay. I pay 10 ringgit. So 10 ringgit is equivalent to 140. That's one piece chicken joy, drinks, medium, and mashed potato with rice. So yeah. So this is KFC here in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Iyan. Okay. So later I show you what I ordered. Bye. Okay, I show you my food. So this is my sauce, chili sauce, and this is my one piece chicken joy spicy. And this is the mashed potato and with colonel rice. And then since they don't have Coke, so they give me Fanta. I order regular medium, so they give me 2 regular because they don't have available medium cup. So this is Fanta. Okay, so let's eat mga kakain. Let's eat here in KFC. So today I eat here in KFC because I don't have anywhere to go. I like to eat in McDonald's, but it's the same, much better here. Okay, so let's eat mga kakain. Go go go. Okay, here in Malaysia they don't give fork, they give only spoon because here you use your bare hands to eat. Dito kakain ka talaga ng kakain. Okay, so I will eat this. And this is my okay. See here. They said this is powder. This is not powder. This is real. I'll just I don't argue because ano what tayo lang. Mamaya ka na mabusin ko lang ito. Kasi nag-product tayo yung balat. For now, side part pala ito, sorry. My mistake. Pala ko kasi with sa tayo. Later may meron na. Chicken. Sabi ng mashed potato. Sa Pilipinas di ako kumakain ng mashed potato. Pero dito, kaya ko kumakain, masarap kasi. Coleslaw, hindi ba natin open? So, paubos na siya. ipakita. Let's call that. Love store. Ang shipping. So, ayun nga. Nakatapos tayo pero parang gutom pa rin tayo. At pala 2 piece ang in-order. Malas kasi 2 piece ang kinakain ko dito. Pero this time, 1 piece lang kasi. Puro chicken na lang kapag kaano. Kaysa sa pinupuntahan ko, chicken. Namimiss ko yung pork. Kasi dito,